We'll guide you through how to design icons in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because icons are essential elements in user interface and app design. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. After the application launches, open the Figma file where you want to design the icon. Click the drop-down icon on the Shape tools to access different shape options. From the list, choose the shape you want to use, for example, rectangle. Move your cursor to the canvas and click and drag while holding the Shift key to draw a proportional rectangle. After creating the rectangle, scroll down in the Properties panel on the right side of the interface. Locate the Stroke section and click the Add Stroke icon to apply a stroke to the rectangle. Change the position setting to center so the stroke is evenly placed along the edges of the shape. Next, adjust the stroke weight according to your design needs so the outline appears clearly visible. To refine the appearance of the stroke, click the Advanced Stroke Settings icon. In the Join section, select Round so the stroke corners appear smoother and more polished. Next, double-click the rectangle shape to edit the vector points. Add one node point at the top center of the rectangle, as shown in the video. After adding the node, select the top right and top left node points while holding the Shift key so both points are selected simultaneously. Press the arrow down key repeatedly on the keyboard until the shape begins to form the desired roof shape. Once the general shape is formed, adjust the corner radius according to your design needs to create smoother edges on the icon. After refining the main structure, click the Pen tool in the toolbar to add additional details. Using the Pen tool, draw a shape similar to the one shown in the video to complete the structure of the home icon. After completing the drawing, select all objects that form the icon. Click the Create Component icon in the right panel to convert the icon into a reusable component. Rename the component to Home Icon so it can be easily identified and reused in other parts of your design project.